This is a product overview video for bushingfix.com for the BP1 kit. This kit fits the inside of several different vehicles near the shifter. To get to this, you'll need to remove the console or the knee bolster depending on your vehicle. There are several different cable styles it goes in. You can use the installation driver that's included with the kit. It makes it a little bit easier, but it's not necessary. It's also helpful to use that driver to push the bushing onto the pin after it's been installed into the cable. Some pins have a retaining clip, and if you remove one of those when you take this apart on the pin, you'll want to save that to put it back in when you're done. Other pins have a slightly larger head like the one shown in that picture there. Use a small amount of grease included with the grease packet. And the complete instructions are located on the website. You can order at bushingfix.com. Thanks again.